The region has produced some great sportspersons who have contributed to India's tally in prestigious international tournaments like Olympics and Commonwealth Games. Last week, I gave Arjuna Award to hockey player Ukram Bom Surila Chanu and Yusuf player Naurem Rosimina Devi in a ceremony held in Rashtrapati Bhavan. I congratulate both of them for making the country proud. I am confident that events like Meghalaya Games will encourage athletes for excellence, promote competitiveness, and create a vibrant sporting ecosystem. The National Sports University provides courses on sports science, sports technology, sports management, and sports coaching. I am sure it will create a rich sports ecosystem in the region. Ladies and gentlemen, I am told that about 3,000 athletes are participating in these games. I appreciate the state government and the organizers for hosting this event. The decision of the government to hold these games in different parts of the state is a welcome step and would ensure wider reach of such events among masses. The development of sports instructors in the state will also get a boost when big events are held at different venues. I commend the state government and local administration for using this opportunity to engage the local residents in beautification programs, cleanliness, and plantation drives. I am confident that such Jan Bhagidari programs and multicultural events will go a long way in building social harmony and creating trust among various communities of the state. India's sporting culture has developed immensely in recent years. With government's new initiatives and encouragement to the athletes, Indian sportspersons are now winning more medals than ever in global events. Indian contingent delivered spectacular performances in recently held World University Games and Asian Games.